how much fun I did. Are you?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm cool with that. Oh crap. Here, start playing.
God, this got really heavy. Jeez, this is heavy. Let's go down a hill.
I'm so excited. I love biking and outdoors so much.
Let's go hillside.
Let's go ding dong ditching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's ding dong ditch Angel.
Good idea. Oh my gosh.
That was so scary.
That was so flippin'.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
That was so fun. Like, oh my god.
Bike ride.
Like,
There's a crack.
let's try to go really fast past the speed limit sign.
Okay.
Let's see how fast.
18. We're going 18, 20, 21, 22.
Car!
Where?
We would just go around this Mandy.
Oh.
Who's Mandy?
I don't know.
Ah!
Who am I talking to? Is that a voice? Is that my conscience?
Hi, Conscience.
What's that? Oh, I see your mom coming, Mandy.
She's gonna kill me.
Hide your camera. Hide it now.
You can't hide
I'm
it.
not supposed to be in the front. Can't you see us right now?
Yeah.
That
Hide your camera. Go faster. Hide your face.
Just hide your face.
Careful and don't let anyone hit you.
Wait, no.
Don't get abducted.
Oh my god. That car just like.
14.
That car. There's so many trees out here.
I hate trees. That causes mosquitoes, and mosquitoes eat me alive.
It's a car. The car is coming.
Hey, it's not gonna hit us. It's gonna stop. It's
We're
gonna
gonna-
stop.
Where does Andrew live? Right there. Oh my god. It's turning.
Right,
Oh my
that
god.
little shack.
There's two bikes.
Andrew lives in that shack right there. So bad.
Oh. Yeah. Especially when. Hi.
Hey.
Let's go. Wait, is this his house? Really? Let's do it on ditch. Okay, you get off and I'll try to pedal. And then
Hey,
you
where are
just
we
run.
gonna park the bike?
No, I'm just gonna keep on going.
No!
Yeah. No, I'm gonna keep on going and then you're gonna dig down ditch, run, and then we're gonna pedal as fast as we can. Go.
No, wait. Like in that driveway right there.
Okay.
I'll be along.
Get off.
Wait, stop. Wait for me.
I promise. I
No, you're not
promise.
gonna.
I promise I
Promise to
will.
God?
Yes, I promise on my life. Yeah, I promise on my life.
Okay.
Okay, how am I supposed to pedal?
Okay, so let's like.
Okay.
I don't want anyone knowing.
Wait, don't go yet. Okay. This is so funny. I'm so good at this church. JK, no, I'm not. I love that gal so much. No, oh my god, oh my god. Shoot. Wait, Natalia, wait! No! Shit. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, what if
I can't run in these flip flops.
Okay, let's
Suck.
go.